Hey, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Today I'm going to work on a couple of tools that I use all the time. George over at You Wanna Watch sent me these in a mail call a while back. I have two pair of Linemens here. I use them quite frequently, but they need to be cleaned up. And I also have a pair of needle nose that he sent me. They're pretty decent, but I'm going to try to make them a little bit nicer. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me show you these real quick and I'll get started. So the three tools that I'm going to be cleaning up today are this set of Utica Linemens. He also sent me these channel locks. They're nice, but they're rusty. You clean those up. And then lastly, he knows that I collect bell systems, and he sent me these Utica bell system needle nose. So I'm going to get started. Come along with me for the ride, and let's see where it goes. There they are. I think I spent just over 4 hours working on these. On the needle nose pliers, I brought them to a somewhat mirror shine. And I didn't spend a whole lot of time on all of them because they're going to be used. I use them all the time, and I just wanted to clean them up a little bit. And I wanted to do something distinctly different to all of them. The smaller set of Linemens, I just did more of a user. Put bed liner on the handles. On the larger Linemens, I polished it a bit. I blued the entire thing, and I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell from the photos or the video I'm rolling in, but I came back and took the bluing off of this surface here, and part of the handle. I made them look used, more of a vintage used look in my opinion. I don't know if you could call this a restoration. It's more of a customization. Y'all let me know y'all's opinion in the comments. But that's what I like about doing this type of thing, is you can choose what you want to do with your tools. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope y'all like it. George, thank you very much for sending me these tools. I use them all the time. I greatly appreciate it, and I'm glad I finally got to clean some of them up. Till next time, get out there and save something from being forgotten and live a big life. You gonna help me? You gonna help me with this stuff George sent me? You like those? They're nice. Yeah, they are. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Come here. Yeah? You gonna use the grinder today? No? You don't want to use the grinder?